In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo design in Canva. If you're looking to create a professional and eye-catching logo without breaking the bank or acquiring a new skill overnight, Canva might just be the tool you need. Let's dive right in and transform your great idea into a polished, unique logo. To begin, head over to Canva's website and log in. If you don't have an account yet, it's free and only takes a few moments to set up. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the home page. This is your gateway to thousands of templates. Type in logo, and then press enter. You'll be presented with a variety of pre-made designs that can be customized to suit your brand. Once you've clicked on the logo option, you'll be brought to a new page with a selection of templates. Here's a tip: browse through the options and select a design that resonates with your brand's identity or stands out due to its simplicity or color scheme. Remember, you can customize everything later, so don't worry too much about the specifics at this point. After you click on a template you like, you'll be taken into the design canvas. This is where the magic happens. Within Canva's editor, you have access to numerous tools and features. Start by replacing the existing text with your brand's name. Simply click on the text box, delete the existing text, and type in your brand name. Feel free to adjust the size and position of the text to suit your preferences. With your brand name in place, it's time to play with fonts. A cohesive font choice is crucial to conveying your brand's message. On the toolbar, you'll find a drop-down menu of font options. Spend a few moments browsing through different styles and select one that aligns well with your brand's personality. Remember, a clean and readable font often works best. Next, let's bring color into your logo. The color scheme of your logo can affect how it's perceived, so choose a palette that aligns with your brand's aesthetic. To change the color of an element, click on it, and you'll see the color tool appear on the toolbar above. From here, you can select from preset colors or enter a specific hex code if you have one in mind. Adding icons or graphics can also help bring your logo to life. Navigate over to the Elements tab on the left side of the screen. Type in a keyword related to your business, and a selection of icons and illustrations will appear. Choose one that matches your brand's image and drag it onto your design canvas. Adjust its size and position to complement the text. Finally, take a step back and review your logo. Make any final adjustments to ensure everything is aligned and spaced correctly. Once you're satisfied, it's time to save your creation. Click the Download button in the upper right-hand corner, and select the format you'd like your logo in. PNG is often a good choice for use online. And there you have it, a professional logo made entirely in Canva. I hope this guide has been helpful and inspires you to create a logo that truly represents your brand. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!